ladies and gentlemen, it looks like the next combatant has arrived. Does the Vault Hunter have what it takes to survive the Appetite for Destruction round? I think we all know the answer. Maybe! The rules are simple. Use the provided loot and kill everybody. The last fighter standing is a bona fide badass. Go to the center of the arena when you're ready to start. Ladies and gentlemen, it's the moment you've all been waiting for. The Horde of Horrors versus the Vault Hunter. Fight!
Shields down! There's a
Classic blow from the Vault Hunter.
ridiculous!
Please, don't get too comfortable. Next wave, bitches.
Never should have come here! Locking out!
Holy crap. Are you still fighting these idiots? You're gonna have to pick up the pace if you want to be distance partner. Another wave down. Better get some ammo. It's time for another wave.
You're pissing me off!
That was brutal. Where's the rest? Stealth. You're still alive? Grab some ammo. If you aren't, this message is irrelevant. That Vault Hunter's chewing through waves on a fat kid through a cookie store. Now I want cookies. It's the final wave! Don't die now!
Preparing to strike.
That was sloppy, Vault Hunter.
My shield!
Oh my god, that was badass!
Slagged.
Free House of Flesh! No! You have a timeout!
That's it! The Vault Hunter wins and is now leaped up to rank number 5 on the leaderboards! Piston is proud of you. I've arranged for the stagehands to deliver some guns to you. Take them. Piston thinks this will be the start of a beautiful relationship.